Okay, hello everyone. Here teach you how you can easily differentiate between insertion sort and selection sort. The two are very similar in very many ways, like you have to separate both of them into a sorted list and then an unsorted list. Yeah, so we are going to go straight to the point, and as we do the examples, you're going to realize the difference. Okay, so we are going to start with insertion sort. Insertion sort. Then we are going to maybe give an example, our array. I love this because it reminds me of playing cards. It's not piracy. 4, 3, 1, 2, 7, 10, and my favorite number, 11. All right, so what next? For insertion sort, we are going to separate this list into a sorted list and unsorted list. You get? So for the sorted list, so we are going to move this imaginary line to the extreme end, the way I've drawn it. So this side is already sorted. You get? So what we are going to do is we are going to move this line. We shall keep moving it element by element, yeah, as we compare. Okay, so we shall move this here, then we shall look at the next first element of the unsorted list. So this side is already sorted, this side is very much unsorted. So when we move this, we shall look at the first element of the unsorted list, yeah, then we shall put it in its right place. Okay, so this line is here, so we are going to move it one step, so there will be one gap here. It's not actually a gap, for it's actually covering that space up, but you're going to know that it's similar to having an empty space. So we are going to redraw this. Okay, so hey, if you have any question you want to ask, you better ask now. Yes, there's no one. So okay, we have moved this one space up, so we are going, this is now the first element of the unsorted list. You get? So if we move this up, it's already sorted because it's the only element. You get? So we shall rewrite this 1, 2, 7, 10, 11. So we shall move this again one step up. So we shall, when we move this up, this will be the unsorted element, then we shall compare it with here. So move this up, the imaginary line, this will be, so after moving it up, we are going to compare this and this, see which one is less. 3 is less, so it will come. By the way, this is ascending order. Usually they tell you, they don't usually specify, but if they specify ascending order, you know what to do. You start with the greatest, that's it. So this is 4, so next, this was our line, 1, 2, 7, 10, 11. Then what next? Move this line, so this will be our next first element of the unsorted list. You get? So this next first element, we are going to compare it with the rest of these. So it's the list, so we shall shift it to the first position. So it will be 1, 3, 4, then 2, 7, 10, 11. Okay, I hope you get what that is. So we shall go to the next, which is this. Just shift it to where it belongs. All right, okay, so 2 belongs here, between 1 and 3. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 10, and 11. So when you look, 2 has shifted, so our line will now shift here, focusing here. So if you look at 7, it's in its right position, 10 is in the right position, and so is 11. So this array is sorted. You know, like if you have cards, you know, I guess all of you have understood, but you know, I just want to explain this because I love playing cards. Oh, this is not right. This is not right. This is not right. So you just, from here, you shift this here, shift this here. You know, you've gotten it. I know I'm good at explaining, so. So that is insertion sort. Next, we are going to go to selection sort. All right, so next is selection sort. So you remember how I told you that insertion sort is a lot easier than selection sort? The truth is I lied. It's not. It is so much not. Selection sort is very easy. So I'm not trying to just boost your confidence, as in this is the real truth. So you're going to check it out and then you will tell me how you feel. Okay, so this is we are going to choose any other unsorted array. You know, any number you're thinking in your head, I'm writing it down. Nope. Okay. All right, 13. All right, so selection sort, that's the similarity. There's an imaginary line. This is sorted, unsorted. But now the difference between selection sort and insertion sort is, for selection sort, when you move the line, you don't compare the next first element. You look throughout the whole array. And that is the difference. That's the major difference, you know. So you look throughout the whole array and look for the least element, and then take it to where it belongs. You get what I'm saying? Okay, so like for example here, we are going to move this line one step forward. So when we move this here, there will be this, it will be already sorted, right? No, wrong. So when we move this here, we are going to look for the least element, then we are going to take it to that first position. I hope you have seen the difference now. When you move one step, I apologize for my pen, I don't know what's wrong, let me fix it. All right, so when you move one step, look for the least element, swipe, swap, that's it. So what shall we have here? The least element around this whole array is 2, so we shall just put 2 here, followed by 4, 11, 5, 12, 6, then 13. Then after that, our line was here, we move it to the next step. We look for the next smallest element, which is 4. So I guess this is not going anywhere. Next step, we look for the least element, which is 5, put it here. So our array is going to be 2, 4, 5, 11, 12, 6, 13. Next step, where was that? This is here. so we are going to move it one line up, which is here. Okay, so when we move this up, we look for the list, which is 6. We swipe, so 2, 4, 5, 6, 11, 12, 13. So I guess you now know that selection sorting is far much easier than insertion sort. Once again, for insertion sort, you have to go step by step, compare this, the first element, with the sorted list, then you continue like that. But for selection sort, move one step forward, look for the list, put it there. Move another step forward, look for the next list, put it there. Move another step, next list, put there, until your array is fully sorted. That is it for selection sort. And then one last thing, yep, that is it. Then you can subscribe for more. Next, I'm going to teach about quick sorts followed by the merge sorting. Yeah, it's all under divide and conquer, so watch out for it. You can subscribe, please, because I'll help you pass. Thank you.